Can you get off probation early in criminal cases? Imagine finishing your court-ordered supervision ahead of schedule and feeling free again. Sounds good, right? Well, you might wonder if early releases from probation is possible. Probation is a court order that lets you stay in the community instead of jail or prison. It usually comes with rules like checking in with a probation officer, attending counseling, paying fines or restitution, and avoiding new crimes. Getting off probation early is called early termination of probation. It means ending your probation before the original date set by the court. But not everyone qualifies, and the process depends on meeting specific conditions. First, you need to follow all probation rules. That means completing any programs ordered by the court, paying all fines and restitution, doing community service if required, and sticking to restrictions like curfews or travel limits. Second, you must have a clean record during your probation. No new arrests or charges can have happened while you were on supervision. The court wants to see that you have been law-abiding. Third, many places requiring you to serve a minimum amount of time on probation before asking to end it early. For example, some states might need at least 18 months of supervision, while federal cases often requiring at least 1 year. Fourth, positive reports from your probation officer are important. If they say you have been responsible and compliant, their recommendation can help your case. Sometimes, the prosecutor's opinion matters too. Finally, the court will think about public safety and fairness. They will consider how serious your original crime was and your criminal history. If ending probation early could pose a risk, the judge might say no. To request early termination, you usually file a formal motion or petition with the court. A hearing might be scheduled where you or your lawyer can show proof of your good conduct. The judge then makes the final decision. If approved, early releases can bring many benefits. It lifts restrictions like travel limits, reduces supervision-related stress, and saves money on fees or testing. It also helps you move forward faster. From a defense lawyer's point of view, helping clients get off probation early can be a big win. They prepare the paperwork, gather evidence of good behavior, and argue your case in court. But remember, early termination is not automatic. It depends on your compliance, the judge's judgment, and the circumstances. You need to show that you have truly turned things around. In short, yes, you can get off probation early if you meet the right conditions and the court agrees. It takes effort, good conduct, and sometimes patience, but it is a real possibility for many.